Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today we will study new lesson. Which is our new lesson now? Lesson 6 already over. Lesson 6 means which lesson that one? Fraction. Now term 1 only this one. Now this lesson number 7. That name is, what is that lesson name? Decimals. Decimal means to in point. Decimal means simple dot we have to put that one. Like that small dot, not too much big, that one like this big. Only small dot you have to put there. That is called what? Decimal. Now concept of decimal. First of all we will study. Decimal means what? Simple dot is called. A decimal is simply a representation of a fraction also. The decimal are used in many places. For example, where we can use this decimal? When you go in a petrol pump for filling the petrol at the petrol pump. Decimals are used to show how much petrol is filled and how much the petrol cost also. For example, 7.75 liter. 7.75 liter. Okay. 7.75 liter. Here decimal means point we are getting here. So it is called what? This is an example of decimal. As well as if you write rupees 500.25. So here also we are getting decimal. So in petrol pump, in rupees, many things we are getting that one. Are used to show how and again where. So that's why here before decimal number point, whatever number written that numbers were called whole number, and after decimal point the number written that are called fractional number. So before point whole number, after point what? Fraction will start. So after in place value chart we will study that one. So a decimal is simply a representation of fraction. Now look at this place value chart up to 1000 is as under up to 1000. You know already in first lesson we have studied what numerals. In that Indian place value and as well as international place value chart we have studied. So what are the Indian place value chart? First one, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, up to there, up to maybe 10,000 you have studied. Now that only you have to repeat that one. Here one, ones, first you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. This one over. Now after ones you have to write decimal, and after decimal it will start fraction. 10th, 100th, and 1000th. Ones means 1 into 1, 1. 10, 10, 10. 100, 100, and 1000 means 1000. This in numeral also we can write. And this decimal means this is called decimal point or decimal point. If you want to write there, decimal what? Point. From decimal point it will start what? Fraction. 10th. That's why 1 by 10. 100th means 1 by 100. Why? Because THS is given there. Don't write 10, 100,000. Already here we have written. It will start fraction. So 10th, 1 by 10. 100th means 1 by 100. And 1000th means 1 by 1000. So 1, 10, 100 and 1000, these are called whole number. This is called decimal point, and this numerator, denominator. So it is called fractional number. So understood? So by this place value chart, it is very important. Simple. 1, 2, 3 times if you are reading that, you will understand. So on the this is my which side? This is left side and right side. Two parts are there. Before point you have to by it. What is that? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and after that decimal. After decimal, 10th, 100th, 1000th. So up to here this chart by head. Okay, understood? So at first you note down this much. So note down this one. Now what it is given, look at a point placed between ones place and 1/10th place is called the decimal point. Take any example of this decimal. Take any example as you wish. For example, 23.91. So before point whole number, and after point it will start fraction. A point placed, this point placed between ones place. This is ones place and this is tens place, and this one place value of 9 is 10th and place value of 1 is 100th. So a point placed between ones place and 1/10th place is called the decimal point. A point, or otherwise you can take only two number. A point place. Now in between these two number 3 and 9, this is not 39. It is wrong if you are writing 39. So how to read? 3.9. How to read? 3.9. 9. Okay, so a point placed between ones place and 1/10 is called, place value of 3 is 1 and place value of 9 is 10th. So a point placed between ones place and 1/10 place is called what? Decimal point. This is called decimal point. It separates the whole number. Before point number, which number return? 3, and 3 is which number? Whole number. Whole number means whole number will start from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many. We can't say that there is the largest whole number, but smallest whole number is 0 only. Okay, is placed the decimal point. It separates the whole number part from the, and this is after point it will start fraction from the fractional number part. This point separate these two number 3 and 9. Okay, understood the meaning of that one. A number written with a decimal point is known as decimal. This decimal is there, point is there, so that's why this is an example of decimal. We can say that one. Now let us observe how 10th are written. 10th mean 1/10 are written as decimal. So it is given in word. 1/10 means. So at first you write in fraction. 1/10 means what? 1/10th. 1/10. Understood this one? 1/10 mean 1/10. Now you can write in, we can convert this fraction in decimal also. How? Write 1 as it is. How many 0 present here? 1. So that 0 you have to place where, left or right? Left side of this 1. Understood this one? Now here 1 0 is there, that's why leave one number from the right side and put point. 0.1. If you are dividing 1/10, you will get that answer only. So no need of dividing, directly we can put the, if it is given in fraction. But this will happen only when in denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Everywhere it will not happen like that. Now next 2/10. Write in fraction 2/10. Now write in decimal. 2/10 means 2/10. Okay. Now write in decimal. Write 2 as it is. 1 0. So put 1 0 on the left side. And from the right side 1 0 is there. That's why leave one number and put point. 0.2. How to read this one? We can read this one as 0.1, 0.2 like that. We can read that one. Read as. Now we can write in words also. 0. How to write? 0.1. Spelling you have to write. O-M-E 1. Next. 0. Read as. Here write as 0.0 what? 2. TWO2. Now next, in the same way, 9, 10, 31. So what will be the fraction? 9/10. Okay. Now write in decimal. Write 9 as it is. This is 9/10. Write 9 as it is. How many 0? 1. So put 1 0 on the left side. Now 1 0 is there, so leave one number and put the point. So 0.9 you will get in decimal. Now read. It can be read as how? 0.9. Read as 0.9. So if it is written in word 10th, 100th, 1000th, so we can convert, it can be easily converted into fraction, but should be 10, 100 or 1000. In the same way we can, let us observe how after 10, 100 are written as decimal. After that 1000, how it can be written as decimal. Afterward we will study. So understood this one? How to, if it is given in fraction, we can convert it into decimal. Sometimes if it is given in decimal, then we have to convert into fraction also. And sometimes they may ask, you have to write it in words. So spelling also you have to write. So note down this. Now we will study how fraction with denominator 100. Denominator 100 and denominator का आएगा लाइन के ऊपर या नीचे? फ्रैक्शन में पढ़ चुके तुमने. नीचे आएगा या ऊपर? डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी नीचे होता है. ठीक है? How fraction with denominator 100 are written as decimal? Look that 3/100 denominator 100, 16/100, 270/100, 1323/100. अगर डिनोमिनेटर पे 100 रहा तो उसको डेसिमल में कैसे लिखते? अब 3 है, न्यूमरेटर में 3 लिखना. जैसा 10 में किया वैसा ही है. अब how many zeros in 100? 2 0. So और 2 0 लगाना है लेफ्ट में. 1 2. अभी यहाँ 2 0 है, इसलिए 2 नंबर छोड़कर पॉइंट राइट से 1 2. 0.03. How to read? Read as 0.03. If you want to write, you can write. Read as 0.03 understood? In the same way, now tell me 16 by 100 means 16 right as it is 16 लिखे जैसा है वैसा. यहाँ 2 जीरो है, 2 जीरो का पुट करो लेफ्ट में, ये भी समझा. अभी यहाँ 2 जीरो है इसलिए 2 नंबर छोड़कर पॉइंट 1 2 राइट से. अब यहाँ 2 पॉइंट के पहले 2 जीरो है, 2 जीरो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, एक ही जीरो रखो उसमें. अब रीड हैज 0 पॉइंट, डोंट राइट देयर 0.16 रॉन्ग. हाउ टू रीड 0 पॉइंट, रीड एज 0.16 ऐसा लिखना है आपको. अगर तुम 0.16 लिखेंगे तो 0 मार्क मिलेगा उसमें. रीड एज 0 पॉइंट 0.16 में एक एक नंबर लिखना है आपको. उसके बाद नाउ टेल मी दिस वन एज इट इज, राइट 217 एज इट इज. अब यहाँ 2 जीरो है, ठीक है 100 में. इसमें 2 जीरो लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पर 3 डिजिट का नंबर है, ये भी 3 डिजिट का है, इसलिए डायरेक्ट राइट से 2 नंबर छोड़ दो 1 2 और पॉइंट डाल दो आप, यानी 2.17. हाउ टू रीड, रीड एज 2.17. लास्ट वन 1323 राइट एज इट इज 1323 लिखे. अभी क्या करना है इसमें, देखो अभी 100 है यहाँ, 100 में 2 जीरो है इसलिए 2 नंबर छोड़ के राइट से पॉइंट डाल दो यहाँ. यानी इसके पहले 1 3 ऐसा नहीं लिखते, इसको रीड कर सकते लगे थे इसमें 2 डिजिट का, यानी 13 पॉइंट, रीड एज 13.23. 13 यहाँ पॉइंट इधर इंडियन प्लेस वाले एक साथ तुम लिख सकते 1 10 1 3 13. सो 13.23 13.23. Understood now how to write when denominator is 100. बराबर 2 नंबर छोड़ के राइट से पॉइंट डेसिमल पॉइंट उसमें पुट करने का. सो नोट डाउन दिस ऑल्सो. Now in the same way how we have studied how to write the fraction when denominator is 10, when denominator 100. Now in the same way observe how fractions with denominator 1000. If denominator is 1000 there, then how that given fraction can be written in decimal, are written as decimal. Now look at same procedure method. 3 by 1000. Write 3 as it is single digit number and this is 4 digit number. So write 3 as it is. जैसा वैसा न्यूमरेटर लिखे. अब यहाँ 1000 में कितने जीरोस है, यहाँ पर 3 zeros. How many zeros are present? 3 zeros. 1 2 3. So write that 3 1 2 3 लेफ्ट साइड में रखे. अब यहाँ 3 जीरो है इसलिए 3 नंबर छोड़ के राइट से 1 2 3 या क्या डालना है पॉइंट. सब में और रीड करना है तो 0.003 लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नंबर 16 है, ये छोटा है ये बड़ा है, ठीक है न्यूमेरिकल. तो राइट 16 एज इट इज. नाउ हाउ मेनी जीरोस 1 2 3. सो 3 जीरो डाल दो इधर लेफ्ट में 1 2 3 फुट के. अब 3 जीरो इसलिए 3 नंबर छोड़ दो इधर राइट से 1 2 3. अब पॉइंट के बाद 2 जीरो है, 1 जीरो को कट कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू रीड 0.016. समझ में आया इसका डेसिमल. इन द सेम वे 217 राइट 217 एज इट इज 217. ठीक है. यहाँ 1000 है, यहाँ क्या है 1000. ठीक है. अब 1000 है तो 3 जीरो अभी, ठीक है 1000 में 3 जीरो है तो 3 नंबर, यहाँ ऑलरेडी 3 नंबर है, 3 नंबर छोड़कर पॉइंट 1 2 3 और यहाँ क्या देना है पॉइंट. और पॉइंट के पहले आप क्या लगा सकते हो जीरो, कुछ नहीं मतलब, यानी 0.217. डोंट रीड 0.217 रॉन्ग. 0.217 एक एक नंबर पढ़ना है पॉइंट के बाद. नेक्स्ट लास्ट एग्जांपल 1323 डिवाइड बाय 1000. राइट दिस नंबर एज इट इज 1323 एज इट इज. ठीक है. अब 1000 में 3 जीरो है इसलिए राइट से 3 नंबर छोड़ दो 1 10 100 छोड़ के 1 2 3 नंबर छोड़कर पॉइंट, यानी 1.323. अंडरस्टूड नाउ दिस वन. सो नोट डाउन दिस example. First look at, read the following fraction and write them in word. It is given in 0.5 means it is an example of decimal. रीड द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शन. इसको हम फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यानी 5/10 आएगा और कोई जरूरत नहीं. एंड राइट द इन वर्ड. फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शन में भी देखे होगा, इसमें कोई एग्जांपल नहीं है डेसिमल में. ठीक है, इसको कैसा रीड करते हैं? रीड करने का है तो 0 पॉइंट, राइट द इन वर्ड्स. वर्ड्स में लिखना है 0.5. 0.5 या 5 VE. अंडरस्टूड? सो ऐसा ही लिखना है उसमें वर्ड में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट द न्यूमरल रिप्रेजेंटिंग ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग 6.8. ठीक है, 6.8 वर्ड में लिखा है, उसको तुम्हें लिखना है राइट द न्यूमरल 6.8. कैसा लिखना? सिंपल 6.8. 6.8. So what is that? Nothing is to do that one. So like this example you have to do from exercise. Let us practice 7.1. So B, A to F given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 example given. So one example I solved. Remaining example you have to complete. In the same way, example question number 2, write the numeral representing each of the following. 6.8 already over. Now 8 to F. Again you have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 example. So 4.02. How to write? 4.02 like that. Understood now? So that will be homework for you. So note down these two questions, first and second. Homework looked at. Which homework? Textbook page number 319. Let us practice 7.1. Only 2 example I am giving, first and second. That's simple, only simple question. What is given? First question, open your textbook page number 319. Let us practice 7.1. Read the following fraction and write them in word. 0.5. Spelling you have to write. 0. Don't write 1, 3. 0. If like this given 0. Don't write 0.13. Wrong. 0. How to write? 13. 0. What? 13 like that. Question number 2. Write the numeral representing each of the following. 6.8. So 6.8 already I explained that one just now only. Second one 4.02. How to write? 4.02 like that only. What is that? 10.5. So 10.5 like that. So try to complete this first and second example. Remaining example we will study next practice.